Hey, you guys alright? Guys? Yeah, I'm fine. That was such a big storm. Yeah, I'll go help you, friend. Oh, thanks, mate. Oh, I can't get you over. Got you. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Alright. I'm gonna go try to find a tornado. Wait, that's a bad idea though. We shouldn't be going to tornadoes after we literally got damaged. Well, I'm gonna go do one. Alright, here should be good. I'm gonna get paid way more than them. They're doing absolute nothing. They're gonna be so jealous. Bro, come on, we don't want to lose you again. Well, too bad, so sad. I need to make my money. Well, that's your choice. Whatever. Anyways, I'll get back to collecting data. Oh, there's a storm right there. That looks like about an EF3. Alright, we'll just sit here and collect data. Oh crap, it's getting closer. I might have to go. Quick. Gotta go. Alright, I think I'm far away from there. But still might be there. Which is pretty good. Holy crap, is that an EF5? Oh no, I gotta go. I really gotta go. We did tell you not to go in the storm, and this is what happens. So, all your fault.
Tell me that I'm special, I smile and shake my head. I'll give them stories to tell friends about the things I said. They tell me I'm so humble.